Good evening, traders. Vendi here with Futures Trader Elite for your Tokyo session this evening. Hope everybody's doing all right. If you get here, let me know you're here in chat. If I can find the old Discord link and throw it in here. Anybody new shows up, Discord. Don't forget, as always, if you show up and you're enjoying the streams, make sure to smash that like button. Helps other traders find us on YouTube. Going on, Remod? Glad to see you here. Going on, Leroy? Glad. I wanted to get a little bit of start 30 minutes for Tokyo session. Here in about 30 minutes, Tokyo open up, and they still hadn't filled this gap here. Trading NQ tonight instead of MNQ. I know everybody's been used to me on the stream trading MNQ, switching it up a little bit here, trading some bigger size evals. So we're gonna up to them, see if we can find some good trades to set up. I don't really like the spottiness of some of this so far, like how um this candle closed red here and then just jumped. They've been doing things sort of like that, not opening where the candles have been closing. I always hate when they're doing that. See it happen back here, right here, and right here, all up in here. Still going on. It happened over here. I don't like that skipping around like that. But it is what it is. ATR is pretty low. Just going to hang back on the sidelines. If we have anybody new on the stream tonight with us, let us know in chat. If we can run them likes up to say 20 likes on the stream, I'll give a copy of the Trader Mindset book away to someone in chat tonight. Like Special K's just rolling in. Maybe she'll trade tonight with us. Maybe. Mute myself for just a minute in case my dogs get wild since I pulled in the driveway. Not like they're making too. At least not yet. Kind of was doing some scalping in all this right here earlier, a little bit here or there. Was in and out of the garage or the shop here to the desk, and was racking up. But I was scalping pretty heavy on some of them. I was 3 minis, 5 minis, just taking scalps here and there, working it up pretty good there. But I'd like to find something real nice, like a real nice trade, a nice pullback to get long in, or a good level to get short in. But right now, everything seems to be a little too sketchy for my liking. So don't want to over trade or force anything. Who knows? Might not ever get to take a trade. Or might not even do any more scalping. I don't know. We'll see what happens, when the whole hour rolls around. Pretty nasty ever since it opened up overnight. Nice little drop there. Basically around 100 points. But all this is some pretty nasty chop we got going on. I'm going to mute myself again for a minute. All right, I'm back. Special K walked in. Dogs went a little berserk a little bit. And so she's going to trade, I guess, for a little while. I don't think she's traded in a few days. Said she hadn't traded since last Thursday. Took some downtime. Just because I'm trading NQ don't mean you got to. Just because I'm going to trade mini don't mean you got to. Right now, we're kind of waiting for the Tokyo session to open. Whole hour. They might be trying to sweep the 4-hour candle they're working on right now. That would put it down there at the overnight low. Around 320-ish, 19. That's kind of what it looks like they're trying to do, to be honest, at the moment. So we also have something on the 15-minute chart. We'll go around 13 is a 15-minute trend line, bullish trend. So maybe they come down here where to try to sweep the overnight low, tag that trend line is a possibility. Around 313. What is MNQ? Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to say something about like see something down here. Maybe if they push and sweep from 305 to 315, they get there. Boom. Nope. I'm in the like that. That. How about that? If you have anybody new with us tonight on the stream, let us know in chat. Welcome everybody to the community. If you enjoy the streams, make sure you smash that like button. Helps other traders find us on YouTube. We can run it up to 20 likes. I'm going to give away a copy of the FTE Trader Mindset book. Is that all it takes? Not there yet? I would like this set up right here a lot better if we was closer to the whole hour. We still got like 14 minutes, something like that, or just under 14 minutes. I would like it better, say, if the whole hour opened up and then slammed down to that box there where that trend line is and then took back off to the upside, because we still need to fill that gap. It gapped down overnight and we didn't fill it yet. Not all the way. Still got a ways to go. Let's see. We got up to 406. We need to get up to about 420 almost to fill that gap. Trying to say. Oh, 305. Come on, let's go down there and get it and get the bounce. Trading. What'd you get? Wow. What'd you do? Get in on that spike candle? That guy's short from 355. How many? Short, short, short 1 minute. If you're enjoying the streams, don't forget to smash that like button on the stream. Helps other traders find us on YouTube. Helps the algo push it out further. Try to grow that FTE. Get to 20 likes. Copy of the trader mug. Huh? should have, unless they just want to blow through it, we should have some support at 305, 315, 316. So, and we're oversold on the momentum on the lower time frames, 1, 2, and 5, 15 right there, but the 3 lower time frames are quick snag there. Push up would make me pretty happy. What, to 300? Good. Definitely could. Never know. Got about 7 minutes before the whole hour. Hopefully they don't leave me at the train station. They smack it and go the other way. I hope that they don't smack it and keep going down. So far, it tagged the trend line at about 315, 316, whatever, top side of that box. They filled me with one. I'm going to put my stop in place. Come on, bulls, push it the other way. Come on, bulls, step in, bulls. Where you at, bulls? Since I'm in the green, I put my stop there a little bit ahead. That way I'll stop out in the green, but I'll still get in this trade inside this box if they come on down and retest or see what they do here. Got 305, the whole number 300 just below that. So this whole little area can still be in play. But that previous day low is way down there. Down there at 210. I'd say if they break below 300 and stay, then there's a possibility that the previous day low would be in play. Possibly. Had to break through. It would have to prove itself and get through 270, 250 first, though, because it should find something there if we don't bounce here. Lexi's going to stay with Molly tonight. Oh, you already knew that? Huh? Cars. Oh, she not here? That her and Molly was here right before I come back out here. I told her she didn't have to come tell me when she's leaving. She came in here earlier. Got home. Oh, what are they going to do here? It's like they're waiting for the whole hour to open up. Still in your short over? How much you up? Special K got 1 mini up 890 short from like 355 or something. That's 25K. You gonna pass out with this 1 mini if it keeps going down. And we're getting close to the whole hour. Even though it's ready to bounce, it could drop down pretty hard first. You pass that? You pass that thing yet? 15 if it's a 25K. What? Yeah, 26.5. You already passed that 25K. Hey, what's going on, AK? Yeah, we trade. We've been switching it up between Asia and Tokyo like every Tuesday and Thursday. And then I've been adding some days like Wednesdays. We'll trade evenings. Thought you knew that. What's going on, Merle James? How you doing tonight? So we got about 13 seconds before the Tokyo opens. It ain't funded, is it? Oh, oh, do you? What is it? Take private? That right there is why you don't chase price out of the gate. That was a nice push right there. Nice fake out. I think I'm going to wait for the previous day low, see if they try to get down to that before trying to possibly get in anything long yet. Unless they find support here at 270, which they could, but 248, I know is what monetized is. Well, I'm not liking anything I'm seeing right now. I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get long in it. I was thinking maybe we'd see him come on down here and try to take out that previous day low or tag it anyway. About 210, 211 area. They were potent. Strong. With this bleed off that we had here before Tokyo opened up, kind of makes me wonder if I should be trying to short any kind of pops that we get. Say maybe they try to push up in here. Merle, James, this is the NQ Mini. I'm gonna let it get up there, see if it gets to the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. Around 342, 345 area. I know you keep asking me, I'm like, you got the previous day low too, don't you? What indicators you got? That's part of the overnight high indicator and overnight low. You got that, don't you? Yeah, it says PDL. Oh, we got to the 50 EMA, I see. Yeah, Merle. Right now I'm trading a 250K Apex eval. Wow, what a nice push out of that 270 level. Um, what a push. All right, well, I'm going to be looking for exhaustion on the kill zone indicator down here. In the overbought scenario, I might try to take a short maybe. We'll see. AK, how's your trading been lately? You been trading every day? I gotta say AK because I think I'm gonna murder that. I don't know if it's Aiken, Akin, Akin. Oh, sorry to hear that. Hope everything went well. Hope you're doing well. Merle, James, I like Ninja Trader. I mean, that's all I execute from. I do use TradingView as well, but I execute and from Ninja Trader. So Excuse me. Was gonna think about trying to short it right here, but it's not quite setting up the way I wanted it to for the short on the first red candle. Plus, they got this overnight high, 30-minute high, 1 minute or 1 hour high, 2 hour high are all up here at the overnight high. So I'm gonna hold off in case they want to drive us up in the previous day close, 419. I believe that's what that is. I think that's what that purple line is. Yeah, prior close. So quite a bit going on right here in this area. Up top, say something like this right here. If I can get some kind of setup in this zone up here, that I think is worth putting some risk on the table, I will. Merle, well, first you got to choose what kind of prop or which prop firm you'd like to use. They all have a little bit different rules, so you'll want to read up on the rules for whichever prop firm that you decide to use to get funded. But eventually, initially, you have to pass the eval with all prop firms, unless you find one where you can pay to go straight to funded. Those are out there as well. They're a little higher in cost. I'm sorry, they're a lot higher in cost. But some places have you can pass an eval in 1 day. Some require 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Some require consistency of 40 or 50% in the eval. Some require no consistency in the eval. You can pass it 1 day. Once you pass it, you go to funded, and then you have to put your buffer in, and then you get to take withdrawals, anything over the buffer, as long as you meet the rules per whatever prop firm you're using. You have to, you know, stay within their rules and limitations, and then you'll be able to take payouts. You just have to read up on it because every prop firm is different. They're not all the same. It don't matter though. So here we are. They come up in our box, getting a little bit of rejection there. I don't think it's. I looked earlier; it wasn't on there. It was supposed to end yesterday, but no, it was FTE 25K for those $10 accounts. Hey, what's going on, Swang? Yeah, it just depends on which one you want. Well, Merle, if you've been using a sim account, the best thing to do is you can go in there. Well, I don't know where you're using it at, but like on NinjaTrader, you can set everything up in there. Like if you knew what prop firm you was going to use, you can set everything inside NinjaTrader. That way, it teaches it just it trades it just like a prop firm. It'll take away the fees and do this, this, and that, and then you'll know, if you hit drawdown or do this or do that. Save now. Yeah. That's in, uh, nah. I don't know where they're trying to push this to. Like they're gonna try to get about 30 or 40, and then possibly might be able to tackle that 15-minute 50 up there, maybe. No, not that I'm aware. What'd you get? A 250K? 15K? I already blew one on that run up. So remember, your drawdown's only 6,500. So you get too crazy like I'm over there doing. Oh my! I don't expect it to go too high myself. Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Got some overhead and balances to take care of. They put in on the drop. Got some 15-minute up here, 485 to 507. Got some 4 hour up here, 583 to 618. Got some more 4 hour up top at 820 to 900. Maybe they want to go tackle one of those. Who knows? Thinking I was going to try to push this to the 15-minute 50 at least. I would have been a whole lot better off just play the 270 mark at the Tokyo Open. Man, I'm in the red like $1,300. Really? How many? You know me trying to counter trend trade, getting myself in trouble here. Special K's in it long. He's up like said $4,600, I think. $5,100. I'm sorry. Well, that's good. What I lose, you make. I'm in it short at 402. What a disaster. It's all right. I'm not going to get all emotional about it. Stay calm, cool, and collective here. Yeah, but I don't know what it is. I like that they're getting above that 15-minute 50 though. 15-minute candle's about to close. About just under 2 minutes. Figure with this kind of rejection here in this area. Woo wee! Man, what about that? Come on, Bears, push it on down. Push it down. Come on, push it down. Don't you stop me out on now. Push it down. Push it down. Let's go. Oh, push it down. Can it tell me I held it that long and then averaged into that trade and you're not going to give me more than that? Do it. Do it. Early, you can come on down here to the 5-minute 50. $15-minute candle closed under that 15-minute 50. I need to see. Maybe we see 400, 407 maybe. I'll be looking at first to the downside. What's left here? 103, somewhere in that area. So yeah, the 5-minute 50 and the 5-minute 50 and the 1-minute 50 are together right here around 400. Be nice if they'd gone and slammed down to that area. Man. Woo-wee. Glad we got that drop. Only had 14 minis. Something like it. Had 14 of the 27 I'm allowed to trade. 8,300. My God, Special K's over there killing it. I'm only up around 4 right now if I was to stop out right here. You know what? I'm not even going to be greedy. You know what? I'll take that right there. Come down there and hit. Should put me over 4K. Maybe. Tap it. What? Whatever then. I'll move it way down here. You're not going to tap it. You see that thing get right up on my order and not tap it? That's crazy. Move this in tight in case they want to pop it. How low can you go? Can you go? Can you go real low? Can we get another death candle? Come on, let's go. Drop it like it's hot up in here. Oh. Come on, drop one down here to the 5-minute 50. All right, I'll take this. Drop down there and hit that. You don't tag it, I'm gonna move it. That's so dirty. Looks like it tagged it, but didn't feel it. Come on, tag it. Tag it, tag it. Tag me in, coach. I mean, tag me out, coach. Tag me out. Thank you. Woo! Did everybody catch that drop? Okay, still in it. You still in it short? Lock in that 15K yet to pass it? Special K's at 9,900 on that 250K eval. Tried to pass it one night. I tried that with my last one. I blew it. Apex had them 250 legacy accounts for $17.76. Yeah. Figure why not, right? Hey, if we have any new people on the stream tonight, let us know in chat. That way the welcoming committee can welcome you to the FTE community. If you're enjoying the stream, smash that like button. Wow, we've only got 5 likes tonight. That's depressing, but that'll be okay. If we get to 20 likes, I'll give away a copy of the Trader Mindset book. You know, we're trying to build the brand, build the community. Ain't worth it. I turn it on and off sometimes. Sometimes I turn them completely off. Sometimes I just leave it alone. Oh, you're out. What'd you log in? Only got 260 after fees. Got 4, quite 100. Imagine if that was 140 micros instead of 40, would have been there, done that. How's everybody doing tonight? Are we red? Are we green? Are we sitting on the sidelines? Are we being patient? Are we using discipline? Special K, we know you don't have discipline. That's why you're up 10K. That laundry's on the bed because I realized 12 minutes before I was supposed to go live, and I forgot to get the laundry out of the dryer after I washed it again. So tried to get in there and fold that laundry and get back out. I got back out here. It was 1 minute before I was supposed to go live. What about, oh man. Oh Lord, you hear them guard dogs? Watch out. Guard dogs in the house. Oh, hey, be quiet, Rip. Rip. It's nobody important out there. Hey. It's not a threat, buddy. What up, Swing? What about 4K? Oh my, I'm about to rip. What about 4K, Swing?
Rip.
Yeah, we trading the minis. Snagged some of those 250K Apex evals while they was on sale before the sale went off tonight. Special K is about to pass hers, I think. You gotta get 15K in it to pass it. Oh, from today. How many did you take? Oh my gosh. She just took 10 minis on this leg up right here somewhere along the way and already sold 5. She's about to pass that 250K. She took 10 at 449, sold 5, and trying for it to hit the orb low line from today. Today's New York session, orb still on there. So 491. Ooh, it almost got you. Hey, don't try to stretch for that extra 150, 100, 200 bucks. You're going to end up blowing it, somehow lose 15K. You hear me, Swing? She gonna blow that account, which means she's going to have to lose 15K trying to pass it just to get $200. Oh man, what a night! I already blew one of my 250Ks. Good thing I wasn't copy trading them. I was trying to counter trend this long push at the Tokyo Open, and it got me. Did you pass it?
Yep.
Even after fees?
With 2.
She passed it.
Oh.
Just passed that 250K.
400.
I
So
need.
with that being, I didn't.
Can you come trade mine for me while we're live?
Don't do what I do.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do what Special K does. She don't even follow the FTE way, the discipline. So it's not an eval anymore. It's about to be funded. So you're gonna go crazy and get 10 minis out of nowhere for no reason? No, you got to get your buffer in, which is going to be 6,600 because the drawdown's 65. Okay. Boy, she's crazy, y'all. Oh, whatever, Swain. You're about to get banned.
Actually, a horrible trick.
Swain, you're banned, Swain.
I just have a good time.
Oh, man.
I don't pay.
He said put the real trader on. Man, he hurt my feelings. I don't want to trade anyway. Baby, you can come trade mine.
No.
You know, you can pass mine. I want a 250K funded
Well,
account. It's going to hit what, the golden pivot and drop? So I should go 27 minis short right there. Obviously, you know how to read the chart if you pass in like 3 trades. Oh, you like the casino though. A lot. You're a gambler. Yeah, she's so lucky. She bought a $10 scratch off today and won $100 on it. I buy 2 $5 scratch offs and somehow owe them $25 still. I'm in the red every time I do something.
Yes, I've learned. Eval.
Yeah, she's lost. We've all lost plenty. 5 minis on 50K, 10 minis on a 150K, and 20 minis on a 250K. She's a gambler. Nah, she can pass evals like lickety split.
I got excited. Oh, instead.
Yeah. Right. We know who the real gambler is in the family.
Oh,
Did you hear her, Swain? He does the same kind of gambling with my life. Can you believe that?
We got a good life insurance.
Baby. 5,000 in life insurance ain't a lot of money. Yeah, I doubt it'll get a burial. Why didn't you get me a drink? Not allowed to have anymore. Look, I was 17 days sober on my sobriety, and then she trying to feed me alcohol tonight. What'd you say? Why? Who's it on at work? Who? Which one? Why ain't you taking any trays tonight? What you waiting on? Is that what you're doing, Swain? You only showing up on these live sessions for the entertainment? Oh, he said no. He yes, yes. He's showing up for entertainment. He ain't showing up for no trading. He must think it's a comedian show. Comedy. This ain't Asia session, it's Tokyo. You keep telling me to not do Asia, so I did Tokyo. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Oh, get up here, big boy. All right, the Great Dane's about to trade for me. I had my camera on. Camera was on. They could see Rip trading. Oh, press the wrong button, Rip. I don't like trading the evening session at all. I'm only here to grow the community. Still Swang. He told you to get over here and
Can you
trade.
hear me?
I don't know. Need to hook you up with a mic. Here.
No, I don't need.
Hey, now while you're with if you wasn't blind,
that
you'd probably
apex-
move out.
So the X is 17,788.
They don't have lifetime fee. Come out paid activation. How much is it? I ain't even worried about it. I'm not even gonna pass the 25K because I'm not a gambler. What I say? 150? 25? I ain't gonna pass a 250K. What? I ducked. I thought something was coming through.
X.
No, it ain't. I thought you had funded apexes before. I hadn't had an apex since the beginning of the year. I had some. I had Flank said he done stupid during Asia. What's for dinner tonight? I had some air fried chicken for dinner. I used chicken. I think it was chicken rub is what I think I put on it. It's kind of spicy, you know. I kind of like spicy stuff, so you know me, Swang. I'm on this I'm on a diet, so I'm eating a lot of protein. I'm trying to get between 150, 190 protein grams of protein a day. Healthy lifestyle. No, I'm on a diet. You might not be. I am. If I'm eating chicken all the time and Greek yogurt and salads and no bread and very few carbs, I'm on a diet. That ain't. If I'm not gonna be on a diet, I'm gonna start eating some other stuff. On a diet, I work out during the day while I'm trading most of the time. I've done about 120, 360. I've done 400 push-ups today. Done some dumbbell work. Done a little bench press work today. A lot of times when I disappear or get quiet on New York stream, it's because I'm working out or doing something right here at the desk. Still doing a little bit of walking. Sitting around the old trading desk made me put on some weight and get lazy. Nice, Merle James. That's great. Nice job. I bet you feel like a new man. That's a lot, buddy. Congratulations. Special K said she was 185 now. 155 is what my arms weigh. Old carnivore diet. That's awesome, Carl. Look, I know. I'm just waiting to take my 27 mini short golden pivot. I'm just waiting for the right moment. That way I can show Twang that you're not the only one that can pass a 250K in one night in the Tokyo session. I thought one of the hardest things you ever done was being in a relationship with me. Really, Swang? You're telling me she's got to pass it for me in order for me to pass it? I'll see how you are, Swang.
He's my teacher.
She said I'm her teacher. She just alters everything, which means I'm not teaching her nothing. I'm her teacher, but she still does what she wants to do. What, baby? What?
Oh, I think so.
I thought you was coming over because you was gonna say something. You didn't just say it. Never mind. No, I was looking at Great Lakes JoJo in the Discord. Said there was some awesome moves tonight, but I don't never see him in the chat like on a live stream unless he's got a different handle. All right, so they're up here beating up against that golden pivot like they don't want to drop, which can only tell one kind of story, right? Well, now come on. I can tell you exactly what happened in the Tokyo session that caused that price push. I was trying to short it, Swang, and because they seen Vendy was short, like I'm always trying to counter trend in Tokyo. They was like, let's show Vendy you're not allowed to do that, and so they just kept pushing and pushing until they pushed right through my account. He said to the booth, for a living, Merle. I've been trading 3 years full time. Swang trades full time for a living. Me and the Magic 8 Ball had a falling out. You know, I mean, some days the old Magic 8 Ball and me, you know, I got like a box full of them because I like to break them. I'm just kidding. I don't even actually have one, but I like to joke around about it. I wish I could find me one of the old originals though. Don't think I wouldn't use it. I'd start using my camera and be on. That way I can be shaking it, showing y'all in real time. Yeah, the old chart ain't too trustworthy. The way it's consolidating at the old golden pivot. Now, see, Special K's over here talking just like the way you would hear me talk. Yet she don't abide by them rules when she's trading. Nah, you're not allowed to drink H2O tonight during Tokyo session. Tonight's a alcohol beverage only night. You were dismissed from the stream, Swang. Man, can you believe we only got 5 likes on the stream tonight? That's insane. How much traffic we? Not much. I try these Tokyo sessions out because everybody's like, "Oh, New York session is flooded with people. The competition's too much streaming during the New York session." We ain't had any traffic to Tokyo session. Like hardly any. Merle, did you say this is your first night on the stream with us? I thought I recognized your username from before. Maybe I'm thinking of somebody. Oh, just once before. Okay. So I ain't losing my mind. You like how I read what you wrote the first time without you having to repeat it? I was like, oh, he types like I do. I know what that says. Yeah, I thought I recognized it, but I wasn't sure. See so many people come through, all the traffic, and several different sessions that I've streamed the last several months. Look, Swang said he was be right back. He was going to get some water. He must have ran down to Costco or something to get it. Or that, or he lives in a really big house. I don't. When you walk through my front door, you fall out the back door in the backyard. Oh, I'm not even doing my duties here. I need to take this imbalance off the chart. Broke through the 15-minute there. Went above, filled it. Now we got 30-minute 50 overhead. And then we have this 4-hour imbalance up here, 583 to 618. So Merle, it really boils down to whatever prop firm you use. You're going to have to choose between whether you want like a CQG connection or a rhythmic. Most of them won't say CQG. They'll say like Trade of 8 or something like that. But then it'll say rhythmic for rhythmic. You can hook any prop firm like that to NinjaTrader. I have a video on my YouTube channel that is just goes over how to hook multiple prop firms to NinjaTrader. It's been out there for a while. Somebody actually just messaged me about 3 hours ago on that. Well, they didn't message me. They sent me a comment on that video because of how easy it was for them to hook. It's a big ordeal. It's not that easy to figure out how to do all that. And I remember spending months trying to figure it out myself. And once I got it, as soon as I figured it out, I made a video about it. So you can go watch the video. on how to connect. A prop firm will give you like a username, password, and all that, and then you have to go in and configure all of that under your connections inside NinjaTrader. And so all you have to do is click on the prop firm name. Like once it shows you in a video, once you watch it, make sure once you configure a prop firm, you name it whatever prop firm it is, and then all you have to do is hit that prop firm name and it'll connect for you. It's very straightforward. I'm all about cutting through the noise and getting straight to the point. Even with all the education I got out there and the books and my courses and everything else, I'm straight to the point. I don't waste a whole lot of time beating off the path talking about a whole bunch of damn nonsense that don't even make any sense. There's so much noise out here in the trading world that you can spend hours and hours doing research and literally be dumber when you're done than have learned anything, because I've been there, done that. I've traded for a very long time and I've done a whole lot of research in my day. And so everything I try to put out there, I try to cut straight through the noise and straight to the point. I don't know why everything out there is not like that. It's so dumb that there's so much noise out there. Sorry for my rant. But yeah, hey, Merle, you in the Discord? Do you want to join the Discord? Then if you have any questions, you can ask somebody over there or me or anybody else. And if you need pointed in the right direction for anything else, you know what I mean? If I'll throw the link here in the chat there. All you have to do is click it and come to it. It's free to join Discord. Rummage around there if you want to. See what other people are doing, what people got to say. Just keep it clean, keep it professional. Well, looks like they finally swept above that golden pivot there, and then they started to come down below. I wasn't paying no attention because I was too busy talking. All right, everybody be quiet. Special K just came back in here. Don't you be over trying to brag like you called the short at the golden pivot. No, I didn't. You did. I was just talking about how it went above it and now it's short, and I was too busy talking to even take trade.
Right.
That's Merle's fault. He was asking me questions. I'm just kidding, Merle. Don't you be bragging. Oh, you passed a 25K and a 250K. So you're rubbing it in my face that you can pass the small ones in one night and the big ones. Well, we got plenty of time. Go buy like a 300K and pass that one. Oh, look. Everybody be quiet. Swang's back. What'd you have to do? Go down to Costco to get that water? I wish. Oh, man. You had to dig a well and then filter the water? I'm sure I wish I'd had a well when this water bill comes in. Oh. I never called him back either. Yeah, go and rub it in our faces, honey. Buy another one and pass it in 5 minutes. Yeah, 250 legacy. Save now. The discount was supposed to end. I don't know if it's ended though. Earlier it said, sometime today, it said there was only 6 hours left. Swang said if you do You're passing all our evals for us. Man, I can't believe I missed taking my 27 mini short at the golden pivot. I'd have done been past mine. Well, it's too late. I missed my entry. No, Merle.
It's already
Once you pass a eval, you have to start all back over at the beginning. So, like, if you pass a 50K, say you buy a 50K eval and the profit target is $3,000 and the drawdown's 2K. Once you hit 53K or better, you'll pass it. And then once it goes funded, you start back at 50K and you have to put $2,100 in there as a buffer. And then anything, you got to get a certain amount over 2,100 before you can take a payout. It really depends on the prop firm, because you have some that are same day payouts, and everything. Even with same day payout prop firms, you have to be over the buffer. Most of them, anyway. On an Apex 250 swing, you can trade 27 minis. That's why I said take 27 short at the golden pivot. A better question is why are you trying to buy more than 20? What are you shorting? You're going long on what? You're taking 20 minis long right here? I'm not following your frame of mind. I'm gonna stay away. Oh, you're not buying 20 at one time? Yeah, she went and got another 250K legacy count from Apex. She said, I'm gonna pass another one, show you fools up. You're down 2,000? Haha. Oh, you're up 2,000? Here she goes. She's up $2,000. Well, I can't even deal with you, nut. Anytime 4,000. Fine, we're gonna do something about this. 5,000. Okay. Is this where I take my 27 minis long? I'm gonna have to whoop her nut. You making me look bad. Yeah, I know, Swank. She's a show off. Oh, did you get in the red? Oh. 5,200. You're better than I am in the one I'm in right now. I guess I should start trading. Oh, Jake's on 10. Jake, Special K's already doing it, dude. She done passed the 250K account tonight. Now she's up $5,000. Another one. She's showing us how it's done. She done passed a 25K account tonight, a 250K legacy account. She's in another 250 legacy. Oh, she said proof. She's about to send a screenshot to the Discord. You really trying to rub it in our faces? That's why you said that's why her name is special. Well, it's really for special ed, but okay, I'm sorry. Ooh, wife just got on to me for doing that. I'm sorry, hon. Don't lose 5K over it. All right. He said it's in there. Oh, here we go. Let's see what we're doing here. Substance shots. Okay, then. Okay. Look at you go, Special K. I'm gonna start calling you Braveheart. That's your new nickname, Braveheart. 15K. Yeah, 15K. It's 15K. How you gonna say 16? You just passed one that get 16 in it. He was. Wow. Language. Wow. Such profanity. And you're talking about what I'm saying? She was up like 44,000 something in that screenshot in Discord. Oh, now she's at 7. My bad. Yeah, she's close to passing, and I'm not even trading. Watch, I'm gonna mess her up. I'm gonna go long with 5 right here, and it'll go down. I'm gonna get it, and then she'll lose. How many did you take initially? Oh my! She took 20 long initially and started scaling. In at 507, she started scaling out. How many you got left? You got 3 left. She got in with 20 at 507. And then started scaling out above the golden pivot somewhere. You got 1 left? Oh. I think I'm just gonna quit trading altogether, and I'm gonna let you trade. And I'm gonna do commentary, and I'm gonna do educational stuff. Jake said 26, 29, 622. What do you want to see that for, Jake? For what? Are you longing to that? Or are you looking for that as a short zone? From what I can see, that looks like could be getting into distance right up in before that area. That's gonna fill. That'll about fill this 4-hour gap up here. I'm not gap, imbalance zone up here. Flang said your new name's Special Hands. So the 50% fib is sitting right above the 4-hour imbalance zone. Wow, that's interesting. I hope it does get up there. If it does, I'm shorting the out of that with 27 minis. What time frame, Jake, is the 50% fib on? Are you pulling on a daily chart or like a 4-hour, hourly chart? What is that on? That's been his picture forever. Oh, that's funny. All right. Probably $1 million. Wayne, you about had me spit out my drink with that one. That was pretty good, buddy. All right, Jake, that's on a 4-hour chart. I like it. Like it a lot. I mean, everything's bearish. High time frames bearish. Market's bearish. Everything's bearish. They got a lot of work to do to really turn these charts around. So go have a look at my 4-hour chart on the trader. Yeah, she's out of the trade. I think she done reversed and went short, I believe. Yeah, she says she's short. Get it. Push. Push to the downside. Mm. How low can you go? Let's say it's going to come on down here. Jake said 460. What he was looking at for a bounce. That's past down here past the 15-minute 50. I don't know if we can do that or not. But try it. Let's try it out. Let's see if we can give us some room to breathe. How low can you go? We have any new people on the stream tonight with us? Let us know in chat. That way the welcoming committee can welcome you to the crazies of the FTE community. Don't let us scare you away. If you're enjoying the streams, don't forget to smash that like button. Helps other traders find us on YouTube. Appreciate it, Swain. I try. Yeah, Jake's the spammer. If you have anybody show up in your inbox on Discord or anywhere else, it's probably him. Oh, well, I didn't get what I wanted out of that. But I guess it'll have to do. What are you long? What was you trying to add to it? Hey, did you get me some cigars today? Why not? I'm not allowed to smoke cigars? Yeah, we are a wild bunch. We are a wild bunch. Wayne, whereabouts are you from? Like live in Canada or Alaska or Florida? Can you believe this sum got me out? This sum, you know what? Got me out. He's from LA. Wayne's a surfer dude. Hey, hang 10, brother. Hang 10 or whatever y'all do out there surfing. What is it? I don't know what it is. Let's catch this wave, brother. Yeah, it's just like the New York session, ain't it? Definitely not. Okay, Miss Brag a lot. Special K is still short in it. Oh, she must have diamond hands. You got diamond hands. I don't know. Where are you short at? 520 something? 521? He tried to pick up some more at 527, but it only went to 526. Oh, the Gecko's on. Said sweet 375, sweet 375. Come on, Gordon. You really think it's going to get down to 375 on this drop? I know Gordon been trading a long time. He said 8 years, I believe it was. But I just don't know. 375 is a long ways away. But before I'm going to risk my 27 minis, I want to know that he's certain. Was that the magic 8 ball that told you that, Gordon? I don't want to take it if it wasn't the magic 8 ball that gave you the answer. All right, here we go. Look, Special K is posting. Special Hands is posting in Discord again. I can't be looking at your screenshots in Discord no more. They're depressing me considering I'm losing and you're winning. Gordon said 408's the first attack. Man, Gordon, you man. Gordon's on it tonight. He's talking like some for real drops. So let's look at this for real fast. 408 is down here. Holy moly, that's way down. Here's the 30-minute low here. 2-hour high. Ooh, Gordon's waiting, being patient. He's looking for like, Gordon, are you short? Wayne said this is a special case show tonight. You know what? That's a bunch of BS, Swain. That's it. I'm done. I'm ending the stream right now and going to bed.
I ordered.
Hey, what's going on, James? Long time no see.
Where Gordon called it.
Oh, so let me guess. You're going to hold the short to 409? Gordon said 408, not 409. Just in case it misses by a point, you're going to do 409.
I can pay. Problem.
I appreciate it, Swing. That's not too bad. I did 5K, but it's nothing like the 25 or 30K she's done tonight.
Well, one's at 10,000.
Hold on. Jake's calling to bounce at 460, and Gordon's talking about attacking 408. So we need to look at these levels real quick. We got some discrepancies here. Let's look at them. So we got 460. Scared money don't make money. Jake, never mind, Jake. Never mind. I'll figure it out. I'll be able to figure out what it is. All right, so Jake's thinking bounce at 460, and then Gordon's thinking 408. Okay, I might see that too. Why he's possibly. Okay, I know what he's looking at. All right, okay. We'll see. We'll see. Things have been awfully bearish lately. We're in a bear trend, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I'm not going to say we're not going to bounce at 460, but I do like the idea of it coming down to 408 more than I do bouncing at 60 myself. But we'll see. You know, we're right here at the 15-minute 50 EMA. That's currently at 476. Jake's thinking 460. That's not very far below. That can happen. We get the sweep of the 15-minute 50. Although we can get the bounce at 460, and it don't mean we're not going to return to 400. So that's the market we're trading, the market we're dealing with. Yeah, that's the 15-minute 50 EMA and the 5-minute 50. Come on, Swang. You know that. You've been on the stream long enough since I've had that built and using it. Come on, bro. What you doing? Yeah, I'm tracking the 15-minute, the 5-minute 50, the 15, the let's look. Let's find them. Where they at? Oh, there they are. They're overhead. The 30-minute 50 is up here overhead. The 60 minutes there. And there's probably not enough data to draw the 4. I got it to track all the way up to the 4-hour, but if I load that many days to track, sometimes the 4-hour shows up, sometimes it don't, and I can't really load any more days because it's already taken enough. It's bogging my NinjaTrader down enough as it is. A lot of calculating data. I'm just messing with you, Fine. I thought you knew that I had that on there and built that. Been on there for quite a while. Jake said, watch for the volume to come in at 460. I got my binoculars out, Jake. How many minis should I take at 460, Jake? This one's going to be on you. I'm going to trade the 460 level. You tell me how many to trade. I'll take it. But it's on you if I lose. Is that 7 minis, Jake? You want me to really trade 7 minis at 460? All right. There they are. 7 minis, baby. Yeah, right. I ain't doing that. I ain't trading nothing out of that level. I'm not putting no front load, no orders down there. Hey, Jake, how sure are you that? Come on, Jake, hurry up. It's almost there. Tell me, Jake. Did the Magic 8 Ball tell you to do 460? All right, we're coming into 460. I'm watching the ask and the bid to see what happens here. Damn, Jake's 90% sure. Oh, here we go. We hit 460. Just tagged it on the ask and the bid. I'm waiting to see if the volume starts coming in. Not saying he thinks it's going to bounce here, but I'm watching the ask and bid. See what's going on. Then discrepancy here. See what the spread is. The spread got a little different there for a minute. It was like $4 at one point. Now we're getting it tight again. We're within $1, $2. We're back to $1 something, $1 something. Yeah, now it's the bid and ask is getting tight again. All right, let's see if Jake had it. It's starting to build to the upside on the ask, so we can't do that. Jake don't go on vacation. Are we? That's because he can bust out another 1,000. Jake, you got a boat? I'm sorry. Do you have a yacht? My bad. I forgot how much money you got. Or I mean, a houseboat. Maybe not a yacht. Maybe a houseboat. I'm trying to let everybody know where you're at. I'm losing, James. I blew a eve out tonight. Oh, Jake said he used to. He's got to get a new one. Why you want to do that? You know what boat stands for, right? Gotta bust out another 1,000. Why I haven't bought in a boat. Every time I turn around, you gotta bust out another 1,000 for something. James said everyone winning the prop game. Sounds like y'all having fun. Well, Special K's having fun. She's like a professional 250K eval passer tonight. Oh, quit bragging. She said she's at 12K on that other 250K. Oh, just a $3,000 more and you'll pass that one too. I know whose accounts I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. Baby, don't nobody thinks that you're lying. We know you're a gambler. Calm down. All right. So we broke down below 460, it looks like. And it looks like we need to be paying attention to Gordon's marking the money of the 408, 409 area. That's a 30-minute low here. I see what he's got going on here, what he's thinking, but I just don't know. Just don't know if it's going to make it there. I really don't. I mean, I'm not saying it won't, but we're like cooked on the momentum to the downside. So I have done way too much having fun and not enough trading. Yeah, I've traded plenty. I can pass it whenever. I ain't got to pass it tonight. Or I could blow it whenever. I can blow it another day, or I can pass it. All right, Gordon. If we break below the 5-minute 50 and hold, how many minis do we trade at the 408 level? Come on, Gordon. What do we trade there? What are we doing? Everybody gets to have some input in the FTE community.
I won't.
You're still short? Special K still short from 521 with one. She still got one running. And then she said, how many you gonna buy? She's gonna buy 5 at the 409, 408, 409 level. So you're gonna cover and go long? You crazy. You so crazy. That's what it takes, I guess. You gotta be crazy to get 12,000.
No.
Try not to let people know that on stream when I'm trading every day. How crazy you are. A little hard to not let them know when you're acting like. Look at this bounce. Wow, you're actually gonna use a stop? What's wrong with you?
That's why.
Yeah, you always use a stop when you're 12,000 in the green. Oh, Jake said 10 many times.
On me, Jake. Got this.
Special K killing it in his shots tonight. All right, Swang, buddy. You have a great rest of the night. We'll see you in the New York session tomorrow. Almost. Dang, I shouldn't have went short right there. Yeah. Fake me out on that for sure. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Oh my gosh, I just blew that 250K. What in the world?
Bro,
Wrong one. Got it. Think so.
so
Jake, I've been trading high minis. I got 16 right now. I'm like maximizing how many accounts I can blow tonight, I guess. Hmm. Try the 150K rapids with my fund of futures. I have to look into it. I've used my fund of futures in the past. Full snap. Seen that. Hmm. Yeah, I know. I was just over here in my own world. I hadn't passed James. I hadn't passed any 250s yet tonight. Special K's the one passing those. I've actually blown 3 of them things tonight. She's passed probably 3. Oh, she only passed 1. Working on her second. But that's okay. I'm copy trading 8 right now of those, so. Time for me to get a little more serious about what I'm doing. Look how that candle closed and that opened up way down there like that. Come on, bears, push it on down. Push it. I added to my position twice on this drop. Hopefully they keep pushing. How you doing over at Special K? Pass that second one yet? Special K's got about 2,500 to go to pass second one. Did you pass it? I think this right here is going to be my last trade of the night. It's going to make me or break me right here. Did you? Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Pick it up. Come on, Bulls. Pick it up. Good job, Merle James. Come on, Bulls. Where you at? Come on, Bulls. Step it up a notch here. Let's end the Tokyo session on a good trade. Run it back. All right, Jake. We'll see you on another one. Have a great night, buddy. The last trade of the night. It's almost like an all or nothing ordeal for me. You know, if it don't bounce out of the 380 to 390 level right here where my orders are, if it don't bounce out of there, I'm toasted anyway, but it should bounce here. And if it don't, then I'm done. Special case said I'm done no matter what. They ain't back. Shouldn't be. About to show out right here. Oh, it ain't going down. It's gonna bounce. 390 level. Push, bulls. That's the level. 390 is the level. You got to push. Come on, push. The level's 390. You have to push. If you don't save it here, there's no saving it. Come on, bulls. You have to push. Push, baby, push. Come on, bulls. Step it up. Step it up a notch, bulls. Y'all gonna have to step it up a notch. Come on, bulls, push. Come on, push. Come on, bulls. Oh, I don't like that, bulls. Gotta push. Ah. All right, I'm out. Well, look at that. Look at that drop. You know what? I'm not gonna trade it. I'm gonna save these for tomorrow. I'm gonna be done for the night. I hope everybody had a great night tonight with us, hanging out, having a good time, goofing off. I appreciate everybody who showed up and showed out. I'm gonna end the session here for myself. Stay safe, stay sharp out there, stay green, and I hope to see everybody on the New York session tomorrow. And if I don't, maybe I see you on the Tokyo session tomorrow night or Thursday. Not sure what I got going on, but I will be streaming in the evening, either tomorrow or Thursday. Hope everybody did well tonight and had a good time. We'll see you on the next one. See you, James.